In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify a report in Expensify, whether you're managing personal expenses, tracking business costs, or just want to keep your finances organized. Understanding how to adjust reports in Expensify can be extremely helpful. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, you want to get started by opening Expensify on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Reports section. This is typically located in the main menu of your Expensify dashboard. It's where you'll find all the reports that have been generated within your account, whether you've created them yourself or received them from someone else. Scroll through the list to find the specific report that you want to modify. Simply click or tap on it to open the detailed view of the report. Now that you have the report open, you might want to change its title to something more descriptive or updated. Maybe the original title doesn't capture the new purpose, or you have specific naming conventions you like to follow. To rename the report, look for the name of the report displayed at the top. You'll notice a pencil icon next to it, which signifies editing options. Click or tap on this pencil icon. This action will allow you to enter edit mode. Once it's editable, you can go ahead and delete the existing title and enter a new one that better suits your needs. After typing the new title, don't forget to save your changes by pressing Enter or clicking away from the title area, effectively ensuring your changes are locked in. And there you have it. Your report now sports a fresh new title. It's important to remember that naming conventions can be really helpful, especially if you're managing multiple reports. A clear and descriptive name makes it easier to find and reference in the future. This simple modification enhances your productivity by ensuring that the information is categorized logically and effectively, which is crucial when sharing with colleagues or reviewing them later. Reports can become overwhelming, and these small adjustments make a major difference in keeping your work organized. In summary, modifying reports in Expensify is straightforward, but a powerful way to maintain order in your financial documentation. It allows for better navigation and quick retrieval of critical report data. Keep experimenting with these tools to see how much they can streamline your financial reporting processes. Don't forget, staying organized is key to effective financial management. Thanks for joining in. If this video was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more Expensify tips and tricks.